go, penguin. Somebody's mad, so he's going all the way there because nobody is giving him a treat. I know, no one's giving you a treat, so you're whining in the corner. Yeah. Are you sad? No one's Is no one giving you a treat? Aww. Penguin. Come on, let's go, penguin. No one's giving you a treat? Oh, no one's giving him a treat, so he's angry. Are you angry? You got something on your mouth there, buddy. I think you got some eggs left over in your mouth there. Go talk to the router. Go talk to your BFF, the router. Here, I'll turn it on for you. Huh? What? Go talk to your best friend. Oh, he's gone. Oh no, he's coming back. Excuse me, what do you demand? Did you take a round? You went for your daily walk, your COVID walk? Keeping fit? I'm not gonna give you a treat, so relax. Relax, it's not gonna happen. Also, you've got crumbs on your face. Do you wanna deal with that crumb situation on your face or what? I'm not gonna give you a treat, so relax. I'm not giving you a treat. No treats. No treats for Milo. No treats for Milo. No. No. Come on. Go. Go.